Okay. So 4.3, while performing the multiplication, we neglect the decimal part. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Then 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21. Yes? So now we add them 6, 8 plus 5 3, 13. Then 2 2 2 3 6. 2 2 3 6. Then we have to multiply 0 3. 2 2 हाँ हाँ 2 2 3 6 2 2 3 6 multiplied with neglect the decimal, it will be 0 3. 0 3 is same as 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 3 are 9 plus 1 10, 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7, 3 2 are 6 6 7 0 8. But see here, in the product the decimal will be the sum of the multiplicand and sum of the multiplier. How many decimal? 1. How many decimal? Place 1. This is 2. This is 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. 6 7 0 8. So from right you have to place the decimal. No, my dear. From right you have to place the decimal. This will be 0.6708. That is same as 0.6708. Answer is 0.6708. Okay. So in the product it will be sum of the decimal of multiplicand and multipliers. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 4. Move from right and place the decimal after 4 digit. 1 2 3 4, place the decimal. 0.6708. 0.6708. Should I give the remaining problem homework, because all our multiplication we have already seen? Yes. So let us write the question at least. 3.2 into 2.5 into 0.7. Okay. Then homework. Then third multiplication we 0.8 into 1.5 into 0.6. While multiplication we neglect the decimal, my dear, that you remember. 0.6. Then fourth 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. Homework. Okay. Then fifth one, 1.2 into 1.2, 1.2 into 1.2 into 0.4. Yes, you can easily multiply. Homework. Then sixth one, 0.4 into 0.04, 0.04 into 0. Yes. Arey my dear, it is blur or clear? Tell me. Okay. 1 minute. Shreya Veera, whether it is clear or blur? Blur. Okay. Give me. Wait. It is blur or clear? Give me one. It is clear or blur? चलो ठीक. Okay. चलो ठीक. 0.4 into 0.04 into 0.004. Let me do this. 0.004. 0.004. Let me do this. Okay. So let me do this sixth one. 0.4 into 0.04 into 0.04. Okay. Let me do sixth one. 0.4 into 0.04 into 0.004. So let me do 6 1. What? 1 minute. Let me do this. See here. Remove the decimal. Remove the decimal. What is left? 0 4. Remove the decimal. What is left? 0 0 4. Remove the decimal. What is left? 0 0 0 4. 0 4 is same as 4. 0 0 4 is same as 4. 0 0 4 is same as 4. Okay. So basically you have to multiply three numbers. 4 into 4 into 4. What is 4 into 4 into 4? That is 64. But see how many decimal places are there? 1, then 2, then 3. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So you want 6 decimal places. So before 64 I will add how many zeros you want. Okay, now place the decimal after 6 places from right side. From right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many decimal places we want? 6. 1, 2, from right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. So decimal will come there. Yes or no? Yes. So answer is 0.000064. This is the answer. While multiplication, you neglect the decimal. 04, 004, 0004, 04 is same as 4, 004 is same as 4, 0004 is same as 4. So 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. But in the product you have to place the decimal. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. 6 digits from right side. 6 digits from right side. 6 digits from right side. Okay. So before 64 you place as many as 0 and then place the decimal after 6 digits. Then 0.5 into 0.6. Okay. 7th one 0.5 into 0.6 into 0.7. This will be homework. Okay. Easy one. Then 0.5 into 0.06 into 0.007. Let me do this. 7th one. 8th one. So learn the technique. Okay. Don't get afraid of whether how many zeros are given. While multiplying we neglect the decimal. And then in the product we place the decimal from right to left. So next is 0.5, 8th one. 0.5 into 0.06 into 0.007. Okay. Let us neglect the decimal. So let us neglect the decimal. This is 0.5. Neglect the decimal. This is 0.06. Neglect the decimal. This is 0.007. 0.5 is same as 5. 0.06 is same as 6. 0.07 is same as 7. So multiply 5 into 6 into 7. 5 into 6 into 7. That is 210. But now I have to place the decimal. How many digits? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Okay. 1, then 2, then 3. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. So 8th one. So there it is 3. So add the 0 before 210. 0, 0, 0, 0, 210. Now move from right and place the decimal after 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So decimal will come there. That is 0.000210. Yes, all of you agree? Yes. Now this 0 you can omit. Yes, one more minute. Very good, Shreya Viga. This is same as 0.00021. Yes, absolutely correct. After point 0 does not matter. So this complete multiplication. Now eighth one. So eighth one you remember. Eighth one. Eighth one. Evaluate. First it is 0.9 to the power 2. This 2 is called my power. Okay. So if power is 2, you have to multiply the given number 2 times. Power is 3, multiply the given number 3 times. That's all. So power is 2. So multiply 2 times. So 0.9 into 0.9, because power is 2. Now neglect the decimal. This is 0.9. Neglect the decimal. This is 0.9. 0.9 is same as 9. So 9 into 9. 9 into 9 is 81. Okay. Now you have to place the decimal 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So you can write 1 at 0.81 and place the decimal 0.81. 0.81 is the answer. 0.81 is the answer. Yes. 0.81 is the answer. If the power is 2, you have to multiply the given number 2 times. Power is 3, multiply the given number 3 times. Power is 4, multiply the given number 4 times. So power means you have to multiply the given number that number of times. So next is 0.6 square. 0.6 to the power 2 multiplied with 0.5. Yes. So 0.6 power is 2. My dear, power is 2. So you will multiply 0.6 2 times. 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.5. Now neglect the decimal. This will be 0.6. This will be 0.6. This will be 0.5. 0.6 is same as 6. 0.6 is same as 6. 0.5 is same as 5. So that will be 6 into 6 into 5. 180. Now you have to place the decimal. 1 digit. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Yes, so that will be, place the decimal after 3 digits. So that is 0.180. 0.180 is same as 0.180. 0.180 is same as 0.18. 0.18. Okay? Answer is 0.18. Yes, all of you agree? So whatever is power, that number of times we multiply the number. If power is 3, multiply the given number 3 times. Okay? Okay. Then 0.3 into 0.5 square. 0.3 into 0.5 square. Let me give this problem homework. Okay? Homework. Then fourth one 0.4 cube. Okay. 0.4 cube. Power is 3. What is my power? Power is 3, my dear. 3 times. Yes, 0.4 into 0.4 into 0.4. Now while multiplication, neglect the decimal. So neglect the decimal. 0.4, neglect the decimal. 0.4, neglect the decimal. 0.4. 0.4 is same as 4. 0.4 is same as 4. 0.4 is same as 4. So that will be 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. But you have, in the product you have to place the decimal after how many digits? 1, 1, then 1. That is 3. Yes. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So we write this as 064. 064 or 0064, no problem. You can add. Now place the decimal after 3 digits. From right, 1, 2, 3. Answer is 0.064. Yes? Same answer all of you got? 0.064. Okay. Now 0.2 power 3. 0.2 power 3. 0.2 power 3 into 5. Which one? Fifth one. 0.2 power 3 into 5. 0.2 power 3 into 5. Let us multiply. 0. Power is 3. So 0.2 3 times. 0.2 into 0.2. Into 5. Okay, let us see. Not 0.04, my dear. Wait. Power is 3. So multiply this number. Now neglect the decimal 0.2. Neglect the decimal 0.2. Neglect the decimal 0.2. And it is already 5. 5 will remain 5. Okay. 0.2 is same as 2. 0.2 is same as 2. 0.2 is same as 2. And 5 will remain 5. So multiply this number. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 40. But how many places we want? 1, 1, 1, 1. No. 3 places. 3 places. So this we write 0040. Now place the decimal after 3 places. Answer will be 0.040, which is same as 0.04. 0.04. Yes? Clear this part? Yes. So now let me give 0.2 raised to 3. 0.2 raised to 3. And let me do that last one. 0.2 raised to 3 into 0.05. 0.2 raised to 3. 0.2 raised to 3 into 0.05. Yes? 0.02 raised to 3. Okay. This is power is 3. So this power is 3. So multiply this 0.2 3 times. 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.05. Okay. Now neglect the decimal 0.2. Neglect the decimal 0.2. Neglect the decimal 0.2. Neglect the decimal 0.05. 0.2 is same as 2. 0.2 is same as 2. 0.2 is same as 2. 0.05 is same as 5. So multiply this number. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So that is 40. But in the product you have to place the decimal. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. And this is 2. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. You have to place the decimal of 5 digits. So before 40 we add we add 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 40, no problem. Now place the decimal after 1 plus 2 plus 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this will be 0.00040, which is same as 0.0004. Yes. Is it clear? If there is any doubt anywhere, you can ask. No. Okay. So all of you are very much comfortable with multiplication of decimal. Very good. This will definitely help you in chemistry and physics. Yes. In numerical, so when you will be solving numerical of physics and chemistry, you will remember that time. Because next year you will find numericals in physics, chemistry. Okay, now ninth one. Okay, now ninth one. The cost of 36.75 kg of wheat at the rate of, find the cost of. So weight is given 36.75 kg, and the cost of 1 kg. Okay, cost of 1 kg per kg means 1 kg is given 12 rupees 12.80. Find the cost, total cost. So total cost will be weight multiplied by cost of 1 kg, that is 36.75, multiplied with that you will write rupees. Total cost is rupees 36.75 multiplied with 12.80. Okay, you can take rupees with this, rupees 12.80. So that will be 36 rupees 12.80 multiplied with 36.75. Multiply this one. Yes, I have told you, you neglect the decimal. So this become 1280 and this will become 3675. So multiply this, multiply and tell me the answer. You know how to multiply. 1280 multiplied with 3675, multiply 0, 5 8s are 40, 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6, then 7 0, 7 8s are 56, 7 2s are 14 plus 5 19, 7 1s are 7 plus 1 8, then 6 0, 6 8s are 48, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 4 16, 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7. Now 3 0, 3 8s are 24, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8, 3 1s are 3. So answer is 0. Yes, let me write this side answer. Answer is 0, 0, then 0, then 6 plus 4 10, then 9 plus 6 15 plus 8 23 plus 1 24, then 2, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 6 16 plus 4 20, 8 plus 7 15 plus 2 17, and 4. 4704 000. Now you will place the decimal after how many digits? Yes, after how many digits? 2, 2 and 2. So 4 from right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is rupees 470.4. 400. So that is same as 470.4. 470.4. Okay. So this is the total cost. This is the total cost. So the total cost is 470.4. Total cost is 470.4. So the number of decimal places in the product is equal to sum of the decimal of multiplicand and multiplier. That truly remembered, never forget. Then 10th one, the cost of pen is this. Find the cost of 16 such pens. The cost of 10th one. The cost of a pen. A pen means one pen. So cost of one pen. Cost of one pen is rupees 56.15. 56.15. Find the cost of 16 such pen. So cost of 16 pens. Cost of 16 pens is equal to 16 multiplied by this, no my dear. That is 16 multiplied by 56.15. Okay, so now remove the decimal. So 16 will remain 16. Then this will become 5615. Now 5615 you multiplied with 16. Multiplied with 16. 6 5s are 30. 6 9 6 is the 36. 33. 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1. 1 6s are 6. 1 5s are 5. So 0 9 plus 4 14. 8 9 840. Answer is 89840 rupees. You will write rupees. Then you will place the decimal after 2 digit. So move move from right 1 2. So that is rupees 898.40. That 898.4. 898.4. Okay. Then evaluate. Evaluate division. Now it is division. Now it is division. Okay, 11th one, 0.000070. 0.00072 divided by 0.06. Let me write in the division form. 0.00072 divided with 0.06. Okay. So you have to remove the decimal from numerator and denominator. Yes. Am I? 1 minute, my dear. See, don't do like that way. So after decimal, now you remove the decimal from there. You remove the decimal from there. But when you remove the decimal of numerator, how many digits you have removed, that much zero should come in the denominator. And if you are removing the decimal of denominator, how much digit you are removing in the denominator, that number of zeros should come in the numerator. That is the rule. Okay. So this becomes 72. Then see here. In denominator, how many digit I have removed? 2. So multiply by 100 in the numerator. Then 006 is same as 6. Then in denominator how many? How 4, my dear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4, 5 0 will come, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit I have removed, no? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay. In the question it is given 0.0072. I have taken 30, no problem. Okay, I have taken 30, no problem. In the question it is given 20. Chalo. Now you cancel them. 2 zeros get cancelled, 2 zeros get cancelled. In the textbook there is 0072. I have taken 00072. Does not matter. Working method will be same. So you can cancel 6 12s are 72. So what is left, my dear? The left is 12 upon 1000. 12 upon 1000. No. Now I have to remove. So now I have to place the decimal in the numerator. After how many digits? There are 3 zeros. So 12 I will write. 12 I will write 00012. No problem. Then now place the decimal after 3 digits. 1, 1, 2, 3. Decimal will come there. Yes. So answer is 0.012. Answer is 0.012. In the textbook it is given 0072. Answer will be different. Okay. So working method will remain same. My dear, because in the question they have taken only 2 zeros. I have taken 3 zeros. Does not matter. You take 2 0, you will get the answer. I have taken 3 zeros by mistakenly. So let me do with that calculation. Does not matter. Voice is full, my dear. Now 0.621. Chalo. 0.621. 0.621 divided with 0.3. 0.621 divided with 0.3. 0.621, solve this. 0.621 divided with 0.3. Now remove the decimal of numerator and denominator. So let us remove the decimal of numerator and denominator. Remember, whenever you are removing the decimal of numerator, how much decimal you are removing, that number of zeros should come in the denominator. When you are removing the decimal of denominator, how much decimal places you are removing, that number of zeros should come in the numerator. So this we write 621. Then denominator I have removed one decimal, multiplied by 10. Then 3. In numerator I have removed 3 decimal, multiplied by 1000. Let us see what happens. 1 0 get cancelled. Then 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. 207. So answer is 207 upon 100. Okay. Now I have to place the decimal. I have to remove these 2 zeros. So I have to place the decimal. So yes, so answer is 2.07. 2.07 is the answer. 2.07 is the answer. 2.07 is the answer. Okay. 2.07 is the answer. Now let me write third question. Third question and see whether 0.0532 divided with 0.005. Should I give this homework, my dear? Yes, homework. Easy one. Then fourth one 0.005 0.1162 divided by 0.14, same one. So let me give this also homework. Yes. Then fifth one, 7.5 into 40.4. First you have to multiply this, then divide by 25. First you multiply, then divide by 25. Yes, can you do this? Then sixth one, 2.1 divided with 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.1. Let me do sixth one. Chalo. What happened? Sixth. Yes, sixth one. Let me do sixth one. Chalo. Let me do sixth one very quickly. 1 minute is there. We can do. So that is 2.1. 2.1 divided by 0.1 into 0.1. Okay. So let us first simplify the bracket, my dear Bodmans. So 0.1 will be same as 0.1. Remove the decimal. 0.1 is same as 1. 0.1 is same as 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. 1 into 1 is same as 1. Now you have to place the decimal after how many digits? 1 plus 1 2. So 1 we write 001 and place the decimal after 2 digits. So this becomes 0.01. Okay. So this is 0.01. Okay. Now this I have to 2.1. 2.1 I have to divide with 0.01. Okay. So how you will divide? This we write 2.1 divide with 0.01. Yes, 1 minute. Now remove the decimal. Remove the decimal of numerator, remove the decimal of denominator. So wait. So this we write 21. From denominator, how many decimal I have removed? 2. So multiplied by 100 in the numerator. Then 001 we write 1. From numerator, how many decimal? 10. 1 0 get cancelled. So that is 21 into 10. 210 upon 1. Answer is 210. Answer is 210. Yes. Understood this part? Yes. So now we stop here. It is 11:21. We stop here. This video I will upload. You can see that. Bye everybody. Bye. Bye everybody.